What's up, friends? Welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to generate a post with AI on Rednote. So if you want to make a post on Rednote and you don't know what to do and you have just phrase or some words in your head, you can easily make a post. So you don't have to stress about don't having a picture, don't having a video. If you want to make something, you can make something with the power of AI. So press the button at the lower section here of your phone, the big red plus, and you want to look for the section at the top that says text note. So you tap on that. Now, what this is going to do, you need to basically say something, right? Give it an idea. It will use the power of AI to generate the image for you. So I can say, for example, something like this: mindset is everything. Once I type that in, I can close the little section here. And the bottom it says generate image. So I'm going to tap on generate image, and you will see that it comes up with some nice little ideas of what I can, it generates multiple different things I can choose from, guys. And if you find something in the list that you like, you want to go ahead and, basically select that, right? So if I like this, I can tap that, or if I like something else, I can easily go ahead and tap that as well. So once you find it, all you have to do is just simply go ahead and select that and tap on confirm. You can go ahead and you can type more stuff as you wish. You can choose if you want that to make that public, and if you want to save it to an album or whatever it is, you do the same. And then once you're done, I'm going to simply leave that as is. The title, I'm going to write, for example, mindset, right? And then I'm going to simply go ahead and tap on finish there, and then basically tap on post. Now, as you can see here, it's uploading, so just need to give it some time, guys. And yeah, it's gonna post there, and that's just about it. You don't need to do anything else, guys. Once you go ahead, you will see that it generates, some post there, and yeah, it will basically have your post there for you. And that's it. You will just need to give it some time, guys, and yeah, your post will be there. And once those posts finish, you will see that it shows on the lower part under your profile. You will see it under post, whatever you post. So as you can see, I've made a post before, and that post showed up, and this was love of money that I made it, and it's all generated by the power of AI. So that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. If you don't see the post that you made, just give it some time. It will automatically upload, and that's it. Very easy and very simple.